Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a cool transitions clip using CapCut. It's super simple and stylish. Okay, let's get started. First, just import your clips into CapCut, like this. And then freeze the beginning of the clips. And then move this frozen frame to an overlay and position it like this. Like this. Now just go to mask and then choose rectangle and then adjust the size, feather and roundness however you like. Like this. And then just scroll to just before the end of the main clips and add a keyframes, maybe in this part. Then add another keyframes at the very end, like this. Now just go back to the earlier keyframes and zoom out the overlay. Maybe like this. Next, add keyframes at the start of the overlay. And then drag it downward until it disappears off the screen, like this. Like this. Add the final keyframes, reset the mask so it returns to the original rectangle. Now just add graph between each keyframe for smooth motions. I will choose quad out, this one. Like this. And then just duplicate the clips. And then positions it underneath the overlay. And then replace it with white background. And then adjust the size of the white backgrounds like this. Like this. And then just add effects on the clips. Search for glue 2. This one. Like this. And then just repeat the same steps for the next clips. And then once all the transitions are done, for the last touch, add the effects again. Search for wide angle. And here's the final result. Like this. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.